In this demo, I'm going to show you how to transfer control from one character to another in a Scratch game. So we start as always with the green flag. Now at this stage I'm going to introduce a second character. So we come down here to sprites, choose a sprite, and we'll pick one of these. So I'll go for the first one, Abby. Okay, maybe reduce the size of that character slightly to be the same as the cat. So for example 70. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make the cat collide with Abby, and I'm going to transfer control to Abby so she says something when this collision happens. So we'll show you how to set that up. Okay, so the first thing is, as usual, we need a loop of some sort to keep things going. So maybe repeat until. So we're going to repeat. He's going to repeat moving forward until he hits the second character. So we'll go to sensing, and it's the touching option here. So repeat until touching, and now we're going to put in the second character's name, which is Abby. So repeat until touching Abby. So what does he repeat? He keeps moving forward until there's a collision. So go to motion here, and we'll say move 10 steps. So he's going to keep moving forward until he. So we'll hit the green flag now and see if that part is working first of all. So just hit the green flag, and as you can see, he keeps moving until he touches the second character, and then he stops. So that part is working. Now the next thing is we want him to do something when he touches the second character. So maybe just say something. Go to looks for how the game looks. So it's going to say something now. So maybe say ouch for 2 seconds. So when the repeat loop is finished, when he has collided with Abby, it's at the end that you say ouch, maybe for 2 seconds. So we'll try that. Now run the game again. So as you can see, he said ouch as soon as he collided with Abby. So that's the first part of the program done. Now we want to do something else. Now we want her to do something when the collision happens. We want to transfer control to Abby. And the way you do that is go back to control here. Sorry, it's under events actually here. And you broadcast a message. The game broadcasts a message to Abby. We'll just call that message 1. And then she picks it up at the other end. So now for the first time we click on Abby's character here, and we go into her. And when she receives the message, she says something else. So we might also maybe delay for a second or two. So let's see. So she says, so he hits her and he says ouch, and she says something like, maybe you need glasses, for 2 seconds. Okay, so let's see how that works. So back to the start of the game again. He hits her and he says ouch for 2 seconds, and then she says maybe you need glasses. So we'll try that once more, in case you didn't catch it the first time. So just watch. He says ouch for 2 seconds. Does a delay of 2 seconds, and then the control transfers over to Abby, and then she says maybe you need glasses. So let's try that one last time. So there it is. He says ouch, and 2 seconds later she says maybe you need glasses.